Today I am reviewing the iBUYPOWER Element Black Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerhouse gaming PC that offers exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and seamless multitasking right out of the box, the iBUYPOWER Element Black Gaming PC Desktop with the Intel Core i9-14900F and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060Ti 8GB GPU might just be your dream machine. Let me start with the processor, because that's really the heart of any high-end desktop. The Intel Core i9-14900F is one of the most powerful consumer-grade CPUs available on the market right now, built for extreme performance, and this PC puts it to excellent use. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing 4K video, or multitasking between heavy workloads, the responsiveness and fluidity this processor delivers are truly impressive. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060Ti graphics card with 8GB of dedicated DDR5 memory, you get a perfect combo of raw power and modern architecture. The 5060Ti handles today's AAA games with ease at high to ultra settings, giving you buttery smooth frame rates and vibrant, immersive graphics. Ray tracing support and DLSS enhance the experience even further by adding realistic lighting and improved frame performance where supported. It's not just a gaming PC. This is a content creation beast too. Video editors, 3D modelers, and streamers will appreciate the balance of CPU and GPU power. On top of that, it features a whopping 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at a lightning-fast 5200 MHz. This is the latest generation of memory, and it makes a big difference in overall system responsiveness. Apps launch faster, background tasks don't slow things down, and heavy multitasking becomes frictionless. You won't need to upgrade RAM for years. The 1TB NVMe SSD storage ensures fast boot times, quick game load screens, and plenty of space for your gaming library or creative projects. What's particularly great here is the use of NVMe tech, which is significantly faster than traditional SSDs. Once you use a PC with NVMe, it's hard to go back. Booting into Windows 11 Home takes just seconds, and everything feels instant. Speaking of Windows 11, this PC ships without any bloatware, which is a rare and appreciated bonus. You get a clean, optimized OS setup that's ready for customization without having to uninstall a bunch of unwanted apps. The case is a real head-turner too. It features a sleek tempered glass side panel and vibrant 16-color RGB lighting that makes it look stunning on any desk setup. The RGB lighting is not just a gimmick either. It's customizable and adds personality to your gaming space, especially if you play in a dim or dark room. It's also worth mentioning that this PC is Wi-Fi ready, thanks to built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, so you can connect right away without worrying about Ethernet cables if you're in a wireless setup. However, if you prefer a wired connection for better latency, it has a reliable RJ45 Ethernet port. Connectivity-wise, the machine is generous with 6 USB 3.1 ports, allowing you to connect all your peripherals, from VR headsets to external drives, without constantly unplugging things. Audio is also on board, and it performs well for casual gaming and streaming without needing a dedicated sound card. And it doesn't stop there. iBUYPOWER also includes a free RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, which means you're ready to play the moment you take it out of the box. While some bundled accessories can feel cheap, these ones are actually quite solid for starter gear. If you're just getting into PC gaming or building a home office setup, this package is super convenient. Overall, the iBUYPOWER Element Black with i9-14900F and RTX 5060Ti strikes an excellent balance between performance, aesthetics, and future-proofing. Whether you're a gamer aiming for high FPS in titles like Call of Duty, Apex Legends, or Elden Ring, or a professional needing a stable and fast system for editing, rendering, and productivity, this rig delivers. With fast DDR5 memory, massive storage, a great GPU, clean Windows 11 install, and an eye-catching case design, it covers every angle of a modern, powerful desktop. It's clearly built by people who understand what gamers and creators need. High performance, no nonsense, and some RGB flair to top it all off. So if you're in the market for a future-ready, premium desktop that doesn't need any upgrades right away and can handle anything you throw at it, this one is absolutely worth the investment.